not VMware. I don't know. Probably not. I'm not sure. In such case, I think you need to do USB. You can. Somehow you can make some detour, make it available. Another way that you could do, you can send it to your email as an attachment. Share like it using a copy and paste. I've never tried for VirtualBox. Each product has different sample codes. As I said, I stopped working for VirtualBox. Are you using VirtualBox or VM?
Because for me, I installed another version of the Google Work tools, and now what I can do is this. It's just copy and paste. I can do it manually, but I cannot find it inside. I cannot find it in actual C. For me, I can copy and paste. Yes.
Can you open it? Oh yeah, you can do that if you want, but I'm not sure why not. If you have a VM here, did you set this? You already set. So where is
It's just
this is the administrator, so I should go on that.
Oh, you need to go to.
No, like on your app, on your desktop.
As administrator?
Ubuntu. Do you have Ubuntu?
Right.
Oh, this is this one. This is Kali?
Kali, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is. Do you have NN? NNT? Do you have NNT? Or do you see it?
And I open it with your run administrator. I can completely copy, but it's not this. Maybe you have to say
Where's Jess? Is that where she's still coming? Oh, turn around.
So there are many different ways, depending upon your configuration, possible or impossible. But could be always possible if you send it to your email address or web email address, like Gmail, as an attachment. So that you can open the web browser from your VirtualBox and then download it. That is possible. Right, at any worst case. If you cannot make share the resource. yours is a VMware?
Virtual.
VirtualBox. So VirtualBox 2. What was it? Cannot share. But I cannot say it cannot share, but I do not know. That is,
So you want it to be, you
that's
want
better.
everybody to use virtual VM player then?
VM player may be
VM workstation.
similar to VMware workstation, but little less capabilities.
I'm gonna use VM Fusion.
So did you download it successfully?
No.
Raymond?
No, I'm gonna wait till I get one to do it.
Once you download, anyway, if you share it, if you share it, then you can also, anyway, you need to download a Scapy, unzip it. You can type unzip and file name. You have to make sure that which file name is being used. Sometimes some other name. File name is not always index.html. For some cases, you may have that. Then you can, once you have unzip it, sometimes I have a tar file. Then you have on tar. Tar is like tape archive.
It's not at Scapy.net.
Which one?
It's not at Scapy.net.
What's the name? Type Scapy, Ubuntu. Okay.
It's the same thing. It's project/Scapy.
Yeah, I heard about that. I connected to the browser software. I'm trying it on my way to see what the camera on.
Scapy.net works.
No, it's not resolving.
Just keep trying.
Scapy itself is not resolved. If I do wget Scapy, then not resolved. But if we do Scapy.net, although it's not, but it works.
You move it. So if you go to Scapy.net, it says the server is moving the server.
Okay.
Scapy 2.0 download and installation. This is the steps that you need to do.
CD/10.
No, you don't need to do that right now. So wget scapy.net.
But I did that and it's
Let's see. Temp.
Is it going to be Mercy that's the
Nothing. It is being connected but not in some connection issue. Scapy.
Professor, if you go to scapy.net, it tells you that the server is being moved.
Okay. What is the new name then?
Doesn't say. He said it hasn't been moved yet.
Let's try then. Sudo apt get install Scapy. Zero upgraded because I did that yesterday. Or you can Python -Scapy. How about that? wget failed. Python-scapy.net. That's what I'm trying to do. Unable. So it should work for Python.net right now. Only network issue? I guess network issue, right? If we go to scapy.net, oh yeah, you can download it. Scapy.net, type scapy.net and save the file. Okay. It's being saved. and then see downloads. Oh yeah, Skeppy is being downloaded. Is it? Is it today? Today 16. Yeah, I think it is.
He's gonna find you.
Yeah. Open up web browser, type skeppy.net, then automatically downloads. Click downloads, and then go to from your home directory. Change the directory to downloads. Then you can see the file, zip file. Skeppy-2.3.1.zip. So quickly download.
Where is Skeppy supposed to install? Is it in Linux? What folder is it supposed to go into in Linux?
There are many ways. You could do that apt.get, apt-get, but in this case you have to download it, unzip it, and then install it from Python.
Or install from Python?
Yeah, I'll show you.
So what command do you use to install?
That's what I described already here. Look at this. Oh, not this. You have to first unzip it, right? Then you will have this. This is older version anyway. Then cd to that directory, and then type this sudo python. Excuse me. Sudo python setup.py. Find out there is this file setup.python program. Followed by install, then it'll be installed. But as I commented here, if you have a following module missing, therefore installation is not possible, then you have to do this again. For example, PYX, when you do network administration, network analyzer, for example, as you do network analyze, you can see this kind of graphical output. So it shows you, for example, TCP, different layer from the top Ethernet, and then IP, TCP, and whatever along that layer, and all such a command, the data code can be mapped very nicely. That is possible. This is a Skeppy version that can provide graphical output. That is the reason it asks you to like that. GNU plot wrapper and PYX modules needs to be installed. Okay? If you do not have any these errors, you'll be all set to go. But if you have this, then following slides guides you how to do.
Yes, I heard Chris Craft is installed.
Already? By default? If it's Skeppy,
No, I just did it.
oh, you just did. Great. Then run.
I downloaded the zip file, I unzipped it, I ran it, I did everything that's there.
Great.
But I don't know if it has the two things you're looking for.
If you do not have any,
How do you know?
issue?
How would I know if they're missing, the modules are missing?
that's a good question. I forgot. Probably as you install it or as you run it, you have that issue. Try to run. Type Skeppy. Enter. See? Yeah. So yours is not. You have two.
download.
So we have to look at the next slide. to see
Right.
how to do it.
Professor, I was surprised using this Skippy, so I can enter Skippy and then use new class. So it's already installed. But for this module, I'll have to
Right.
import something from Skippy, or it's just inside?
Yeah. Those you already done. This is a GNU plot.
Alright, so do that.
You can do that. As you do GNU plot, for example, some of you may missing this Python numpy. Then you have to do this, and then redo. So a lot of dependent modules needs to be installed. And then PYX, that's a simple. Type that. Sudo on your Ubuntu Linux prompt.
Close out the scan.
Sudo apt-get install python-pyx. That itself works.
Wait.
It's not like Scapy. Scapy should be installed together with the Python. Therefore, you first download and then run Python installation like this.
Did you?
You saw it?
Yeah. I think
There you go.
Why don't you? Yeah, you can install guest OS, as many guest OS as you can. In my case, I have 4 guest OSs. You can try. Yeah, it's all beauty of virtual machine. You don't lose, only you gain.
This is my Windows and this is Ubuntu. I'm looking here at
This desktop is on your Ubuntu desktop.
Yeah,
That's not Windows desktop.
so once I get the zip file,
Oh, then you can do it. As I did you do this? Yeah.
just trying to
Setting.
Something hers that's a big
this is the setup.
It's all be ready.
Even if it's like because I don't have Python.
Did you start this as an administrator? Administrator?
I mean, I have Python on my
Try to do administrator.
Windows. So on the virtual
Professor,
machines,
in this case, the numpy and the PYX is inside the Python. So I think I have
Yours
to
is what?
install-
Yeah.
The only one is NewPlot. NewPlot, that is not
GNU plot?
modeled. Yeah, it's not modeled inside the Python, but it's a standard. So I have to quit and then just write. This is the name, right?
should be
Yeah,
write
it's
it down.
like
So it's not
Scapy.
inside. Scapy
Right,
inside the
yeah.
but it's not inside Python.
It's a standard one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Jessica.
It's still downloading.
Good. you do? Probably did everything. You can do it right now. So you're teaching assistant for me.
So I have to unzip it and it automatically create the record, or do I have to put in the terminal to unzip that?
I understand what.
So for this,
Yeah.
you can do sudo apt get install python dash pip.
Okay, I did that.
Oh, you did that. Okay, here downloads.
Yeah, I have it down.
You do that. You have to unzip and on tar,
Do I do
and
that
then
in
set
the-
up this. When you do this,
Do I do
then
that in the
under
terminal, or do I just
under
do it-
GNU plot, there is a setup file.
Now in
Where are you?
Tar, do I do it in the terminal? Or do I just open the file?
No, go to terminal. Where's that on tar file? Did you do on tar? If you do not know on tar, then there is a command tar minus xtb whatever x needed x for x extract from the archive files. Where is
It's in down.
is it down? Yes, right. So what you want
What's
to
the
do is
some problem is
zip minus the
just unzip and then space
therefore you have
file.
tar file. Not extension is dropped, right? And then you do tar
And to download Python
cda
it's a
Right there.
and that is on tar, which means this is directory, right? So change it to GNU directory. Then you have set up that of Python. Now you know it. Type this, Olivia.
Professor, I think we'll-
All those things, Linux issue, Linux command problem.
So to get rid of the
But I'm not
tar-
teaching Linux command.
Professor, to get rid of the tar, I just
But this time I'm going to teach Linux administrator course, undergraduate.
So I'm here.
IASP 321. I may. If Dr. Chen wants to teach forensic computing 5:30, then I'm going to teach undergraduate course. Linux command only. So that's for undergraduate. For graduate level, we don't need to. Hmm? No, we don't. Because it's not directly related to cybersecurity. There's no fundamental. So that is available.